So building a fixed header inside a Divi isn't all that difficult. They've given you the option to do that for a very, very long time. But today we're doing something a little different. I want to build a custom solution, header to stick to the top with a custom header. And we're not going to waste any time. You clicked here, that's what you're trying to accomplish. Let's go ahead and jump into this. So you'll see here we've got WordPress 6.0.2, and we're working with the latest version of Divi as of today, which is version 4.18. So you'll see that we've already got our layout here. We've got the Divi streaming pack loaded, and we've got the header up at the top, which you can see here. We've built one that uses the same colors and just kind of is there, right? Nothing special. We exit the visual builder, and you will see it just stick to the top. Well, you'll see it at the top, but you won't see it stick to the top. So as we scroll, the menu goes away. But what we want is for this to stay at the top as it scrolls down. That's fixed logo, right? So very easy to do that. We're going to go back into the header here, and we're going to go into the section, and we're going to open up the advanced and go to position. And there's a few options here, right? You've got all these options. This fixed option is where most people want to go first. And you would think that with us doing a fixed header that's where we would go, but that is not the option we're going to use. Instead, we're going to close this and we're going to go to scroll effects. And we're looking for sticky. Much rather a sticky header than a fixed header. There's a few reasons for that. If you do fixed, it's going to shift all of the other sections, all of your design up. So you need to add spacing in code to shift the padding down for all the pages, which adds some complexities. It's a lot easier to do scroll effects and do sticky position. So we're going to stick this to the top, and we're just going to select OK. We're going to save it, and then we'll go back into the front end, refresh, and take a look at the difference. So the page is reloaded, and as we start to scroll, that header sticks to the top. Unbelievably simple, one setting, and you're done. So I know that makes for a very short, uninspiring video, but it solves a problem very, very quickly. There's a lot more of these kind of tips if you want to stick around. Check out these videos, one of the two that are going to be up here on the screen, either one of these two places. Watch one of those videos that YouTube thinks is the best for you, and you're going to get some more tips on how to take Divi to the next level, or how to make your WordPress business and your WordPress website work better for you.